please don't wake me from this.
What's up, Legends? LGG Alden here, so I'm back with episode 14 of my Game Maker tutorials. Last time we added more walls and we kind of worked on making it so you can expand the rooms and you can move around and all that works good. This time I decided if you run the game, the one thing that's not really been updated in a long time is the menu. As you can see, it's just plain quit. There's barely anything to it and it kind of looks pretty boring. So I figured, why not make, some sort of upgrade to it, kind of work on it, make it look a little nicer, who knows, all that stuff. So let's see what we can do here. So we'll probably have to change these because these look kind of boring. Let's see what I can do here. I don't know if I can like do pixel art or something. If I can, I don't know. What's the size of it? Oh, okay. Maybe I have a nice font. Oh shoot. Fonts. Let's see. Play. But what kind of font do we have that's a good one? Okay, so I probably have a ton of fonts, to be honest. Let's see if there's any cool looking ones as I kind of go through this. I have a lot of that. I have way too many fonts. But you know what? Sometimes it's not a bad thing. I don't know. Let's see. Should we just do like... I'll just find a random one, pick that for now. It doesn't matter too much. We'll just do one that looks kind of like bold and nice. A little natural. I don't know. I have way too many fonts to choose from, and I want to make one that looks kind of nice. And you guys can do whatever fonts you want. You don't have to copy this one, because there's a possibility that the one that I use might not be it. I don't know, I like this one. It's the same one we use in the LGG outro thing. So, I don't know. Let's go with that. So it just looks like a cool font. I don't know why I like it so much. Okay, so we'll do play. So this is size 36. Font size. Okay, yeah, that works fine. Okay, and we'll do the same one for quit. I don't know, it just looks a little better than the other one. And like I said, you guys probably don't have that font because that's just like one that I got on my computer. It doesn't come with a computer or nothing, so it's not a default font. So you guys can use whatever you want. Don't feel like you have to stick with what I have, because yeah, you definitely don't. Okay, so that should automatically change the fonts. Let's just check it, make sure that it does all that. Yeah, it does. Okay. And then what can we do here? Let's see. We can almost make it bigger if we really wanted to, but let's make a third font. Okay, so SPR underscore. We won't do it now, but we'll have an options screen eventually. We can work on like changing things, like for instance, one thing that's really going to be a tricky task for me, because I don't ever do it. I don't really work... Well, okay, I have, but I don't work much with it. It's like audio-related things. I've never been good with... Like, I don't know how to... I can't make a lot of audio stuff and everything like that. But it's like... We could do that in the options. We can have like a bar or something that kind of like adjusts sound, music, if we do that, anything like that. And that'll probably come in a way later episode, but I don't know, I'd have to find music that I can use, or either make sounds music, I don't know, something, we'll figure it out. But I don't know. And then if I do find it or make something, I probably could put like a download in it so you guys can use it if you like it, something like that. We'll figure it out though. We don't need to work on that now. But so then we'll have an options one. What else should we have at the menu? Trying to think what else an average menu would have. I don't know. We could always make like an index eventually, like showing like weapons or something, or if we make like custom different tons of enemies that you fight. I don't know. I think that'll be fine for now. So let's just go. Actually, we need to create it though. Menu. Actually, we'll duplicate the play one because it'll work better. OBJ options. Change the sprite so that it is the correct one. Options. Except instead of going to room test, we'll go room options. Except we don't have that one yet, so duplicate this. Name it room options. You can get rid of all of this. Oh, another thing. That exactly reminds me of another thing we're gonna need. Duplicate this. SPR underscore back. So this is gonna be like a back button. Edit. Go into here. Yeah. So then when you go into like the options screen or something, you have a way to go back. So just do back text. Oh, did not mean to do that. Go like that. Okay, that's good. And then we have to create another one. Okay, obj underscore back. So yeah, okay, so change the sprite into the back one, and then make this room menu. Whoops. Okay, so that works fine. We can go into the options room, and we should also put the back button. Except we're not really going to have anything in here yet, as you guys know. Like I said, not really going to put anything in it yet. But, so now if we run it... Oh wait, we need to put the menu. Okay, so we'll put the options button also. Like that or something. That looks fine. Okay. We'll put the options button. And then takes you to the options. Oh! Why is that there? Oh, is that because... Okay, it's weird. Let's go fix that. I didn't know I was going to put that there. That's because I had it, like, highlighted around it. I guess it actually took that as if it was part of the sprite. That's so weird. I've never seen it do something like that. It's kind of interesting. I didn't know it could. Okay... Last thing. Okay, so that's fine. That works. And we already know it works, so... Because you could press the back button. And then the options. Back. Play takes you to this. Oh yeah, I kind of made like a little house thing out of it. I don't know. And there's borders all around the walls now. So I can't leave it. Okay, so yeah, that all's good. Quit button obviously works. Now, I don't have a title for this game yet. You guys ever come up with a title and I like it or something, sounds good, we'll use it, because I'm not really the best at naming games. But yeah, I don't know. Well, another thing, okay, here's another thing we could do, just give me a look. Oh wait, why did I close out of that? Is backgrounds. So we could do a color. We could do whatever color we want, technically. Anything like this. You can do more customized colors. So you could do like a, I don't know, something. And that, like the one with this font, obviously you see through it because it has the clear, but I don't know. Or you can do, okay, so here's another thing then we'll show. Backgrounds, create background, we'll do bg underscore menu, or let's just do like a grass background. Edit background. I don't even know, how big is this? New, we'll make it 16 by 16, and then we can just repeat it a lot. Okay, so let's do kind of like a grass texture. So we'll do, that is way too light. Do a bit of a darker green with a light green. That's way too dark of a comparison. Opacity, that'll work. No, wait, dang it. We need it to be this color. Then we need the darker green and opacity down. This is the right one. Oh, that's why, because the size is up. So we'll just kind of do some patching stuff here. Make it look as nice as I can. We'll go a little bit darker. Go up here a bit. There we go. That looks fine for now. Okay, so tile, yeah, okay. We don't need it as a tile set though. So test, oh wait, we won't want it in the menu. Background, and then you can do an image. So look at that. So now it's like a little grassy texture almost. And we could also do the same thing for the test room if we wanted to, since there's no background there yet. So now it's kind of grass, except, you know, there's no grass inside of a building, but who cares? Okay, so I think if this works, that should be fine. Okay, yeah, so now we have it. So if you go into play, it's also there too. Looks pretty crazy. So, but I don't know. So that's probably where I'm going to end this episode here then, guys. Maybe next time we can work, I don't know, we'll figure out what I want to do with this, what we can do next. But if you guys like this video, make sure to hit that like button. And if you guys haven't subscribed to us yet, you guys should. If you guys have anything that goes wrong, make sure to comment it. This one, not really anything should have gone wrong. Just basically switching up some menu stuff. I don't know. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Also, one last thing, make sure to comment an idea you have for a title. Just, I don't care, whatever. One of that sounds good, we'll use it. But thanks, guys, and see you guys later.